Finally, we have hit 500 and maybe 80 miles. So about to do my first oil change. As I've seen on a lot of YouTube videos, people getting scammed with how much they pay when they go to the dealer. So did my research, went out. I know there's a lot of other ones, but anything that the manual says works, you guys can get. So I got this Mobile One 10W40, and I made sure back here it says SAE, which is that's what it required on the manual. And then the filter, I couldn't find the OEM filter, guys. I've been looking for like 3 days. They're all out of stock everywhere. So I got this KN filter, and it's KN-303. If you guys want to save yourself a headache, here you go. Because I've been trying to nobody ever shows you the product. They just install it real quick and they don't pause. And I've been trying to take screenshots from people's videos to figure out which one works on this bike, and yeah, it's definitely this one. So it's KN-303 for, I know it works on a 2022 Ninja 400. You guys like my new key tag, by the way? Kawasaki. It matches I love it when it's flying around. But yeah, so I'm at 20 miles away from 600, about to do my oil change, and I'm not really experienced at any mechanical stuff, but I saw a lot of videos online and we're gonna go from there. So yeah, I'll update you guys. I don't want to give you or try to teach you too much because I'm not the best at doing it, but I'll learn on the way, and yeah, I'll let you guys know what happens. Got the oil draining out now. So I saw online you guys can take this apart if you want. I didn't. If you want to make it easier for you where you can see better and stuff, you can see the filter right there. You can, but if it really gives me a headache, I'll take it off. I honestly didn't even have the tool to take it off, so I didn't. But that oil looks super black, I would say, huh? Damn. That's just from 550 miles. Crazy. I can only imagine what my R-Line's transmission oil looks like. It's on 82,000 miles, same oil. Oh my god. But yeah, so that's draining out. I think it's done now. It's been just 2-3 minutes, but if you guys wait for every drop, it's gonna take forever. I'm gonna pour that in, and yeah, should be good to go. I'm actually excited because I just remembered that means I can start revving it out now that the break-in period is over. So I'm so excited now. And these wheels look super nice from down here. They look like the Ninja things they throw, but yeah. Now the only headache is going to be the oil filter, so good luck with that to me. Alrighty guys, everything is almost done. I put the new filter on. That was honestly the hardest thing. I had to run to AutoZone and I got this one. It's the thing that takes off the oil filter. Even with this, it took me like 5 minutes, but it got off. I put the new oil filter in. I put oil in the oil filter before I put it in so I don't run it dry. Now I'm about to put the 2 quarts and a tiny bit more of this, so 2.1 quarts, and give it the first start, guys. Excited. But yeah, new filter's on. Let me show you the filter. Not sure if you can see that. And yeah, I screwed that back in where I drained it, and yeah, about to put the funnel in and put some oil in it. Okay, I'm not sure why this happened, but I did put the 2 quarts, but I had to untighten that screw almost, I think, 5 times till I actually like got down below the lines where here it says, maximum is this line, minimum is that line. I was above it and I emptied it out like 5 times. Maybe it was because I filled up the oil filter and that counts as the 2.1 part of the 2.1. I didn't know, but yeah. So I tightened that up. Filter is tight. Over there is tight. I put the oil in. So it should be good to go. I'm about to give it its first start, guys. 573 miles. Okay, that was about to be the biggest fail ever on camera. This is why sometimes I'm like, I should not be filming. I need a GoPro because I can't focus. Okay. warm up and we'll go from there. Oil change worked out perfect. I went on a test drive and it shifts super smooth now. It was starting to act like jerky, honestly, the past 2 days, so I knew it was time to change it. But yeah, everything went smooth. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Sitting here cooling down, checking out the plants, and yeah, have a blessed day. Hi Mason, you want to be on the vlog? Yes. You want to be on the vlog? Yes, little boy. You enjoying? You having good life? Yes. You sunbathing? Oh, you my little boy. I love hanging out with this guy after I go biking or driving my car, or whatever. He's so cute. He's such a good boy. Yes. But yeah, for me and Mason, have a good day. Licking the toes, and I'll see you guys in the next upload. Peace out, everyone. Bye, Mason. Say bye. Yes. Yes, say bye. Yes. This little boy. What's this? Yeah. What is it? Yes. He sits like he pays the house bill every month, literally. He's so cute. What are you doing? What are you doing?